Hello my dear student, I am Priti Kumari from the Sanskar Gurukul, the International School. I am your maths teacher. So, today is your first classes with me. Dear student, before starting our lesson, our topic, I would like to suggest you something about virus. So, place your hand, wash properly, sanitizing on your hand, wearing your mask and avoid your catching disease. Okay? Please take care of yourself. And now we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 3. The topic is Pahari. The topic is Pahari. See the blackboard. Pav se thai. Pav se thai. Okay. How many tables are there? 5 tables are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tables are given in your book. So you have must learn and write in your notes copy. Okay. So say our first table of 1/4. Table of 1/4. How can write in this number? Table of 1/4, how can write in this number? 1 and 4, 1 by 4. Okay, we have write 1 by 4. Now second table of half. Table of half means 1 by 2. Okay, table of half 1 by 2. Now third table of 3/4. Table of 3/4 means 3 by 4. Table of 3/4 means 3 by 4. Now fourth table of 1 and 1/4. Table of 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4. Okay. Now our last table of 1 and half. Table of 1 and half. Okay. See, 1 and half. So there are 5 tables are given in your book. See, open your book and write them in your notes copy. Okay. So my dear children, see this table. The table of 1/4 pav ka pahara. Repeat after me. First one, pav ekam pav. Pav ekam pav 1/4 into 1 equal to 1/4. 1/4 into 1 equal to 1/4. Now pav duna adha. Say pav duna adha 1/4 into 2 equal to 1/2 means half. Pav tiya pauna 1/4 into 3 equal to 3/4. Pav chauke 1 1/4 into 4 equal to 1. Pav pache sawa 1/4 into 5 equal to 1/4. Okay. Pav pache sawa. Repeat after me. Pav pache sawa 1/4 into 5 equal to 1 and 1/4. Pav chakke 1.5 1/4 into 6 equal to 1 and 1/2. Okay. Pav satte paune 2. Pav satte paune 2 1/4 into 7 equal to 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. Now pav athe 2. Say pav athe 2 1/4 into 8 equal to 2. Pav name sawa 2. Pav name sawa 2 1/4 into 9 equal to 2 and 1/4. Now पाँव दहाम ढाई, पाँव दहाम ढाई 1/4 into 10 equal to 2.5. 2.5. Okay. So our next table of half. आधा का पहाड़ा. Let's read after me. आधा एकम आधा, half into 1 equal to half. Half into 1 equal to half. आधा दूना एक, half into 2 equal to 1. Half into 2 equal to 1. आधा तिया डेढ़ से आधा तिया डेढ़, half into 3 equal to 1.5. Half into 3 equal to 1.5. आधा चौके दो, आधा चौके दो, half into 4 equal to 2. Half into 4 equal to 2. आधा पंचे ढाई, आधा पंचे ढाई, half into 5 equal to 2.5. Half into 5 equal to 2.5. आधा छक्के तीन, आधा छक्के तीन, half into 6 equal to 3. Half into 6 equal to 3. आधा सत्ते साढ़े सात, आधा सत्ते साढ़े सात, half into 7 equal to 3.5. Half into 7 equal to 3.5. आधा अट्ठे चार, आधा अट्ठे चार, half into 8 equal to 8. Half into 8 equal to 4. आधा नब्बे साढ़े सात, आधा नब्बे साढ़े चार, आधा नब्बे साढ़े चार, half into 9 equal to 4.5. Half into 9 equal to 4.5. आधा दहाम पाँच, आधा दहाम पाँच, half into 10 equal to 5. Complete the table of half. The table of half is completed. So move the next table. Table of 3/4. Table of 3/4. So पौना एकम पौना से पौना एकम पौना, 3/4 into 1 equal to 3/4. 3/4 into 1 equal to 3/4. Okay. पौना दूने ढेर, पौना दूने ढेर, 3/4 into 2 equal to 1.5. 3/4 into 2 equal to 1.5. पौना तिया सवा दो, पौना तिया सवा दो, 3/4 into 3 equal to 2/1/4. 2/1/4. पौना चौके तीन, पौना चौके तीन, 3/4 into 4 equal to 3. 3/4 into 4 equal to 3. पौना पंचे पौने चार, पौना पंचे पौने चार, 3/4 into 5 equal to 3 of 3/4. 3 and 3/4. Okay. Now पौना छक्के साढ़े चार, पौना छक्के साढ़े चार, 3/4 into 6 equal to 4.5. 3/4 into 6 equal to 4.5. पौना सत्ते सावा पाँच, पौना सत्ते सावा पाँच, 3/4 into 7 equal to 5 and 1/4. 1/4. 5 and 1/4. पौना अट्ठे छः, पौना अट्ठे छः, 3/4 into 8 equal to 6. 3/4 into 8 equal to 6. पौना नम्मे पौने सात, पौना नम्मे पौने सात, 3/4 into 9 equal to 6 and 3/4, 6 and 3/4. Okay. पौना दहम साढ़े सात, पौना दहम साढ़े सात, 3/4 into 10 equal to 7.5. 3/4 into 10 equal to 7.5. Okay. Now see this picture. In this picture, 1 dozen apples equal to 12 apples. 1 dozen apples is value of 12 apple. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 apple are there. Now, pauna means 3, third, fourth. Pauna means 3, 4, third, fourth. Pauna, third, fourth, dozen equal to 9 apple. The third, fourth value is a dozen of 9 apple. Only 9 apple. 1 dozen equal to 12 apple. And third, fourth dozen is 9 apples. Okay. Now our next table, table of 1 and 1/4. Table of 1 and 1/4. Sawa ka pahada. See, sawa ekam sawa. Repeat after me. Smoothly and slowly repeat after me. Sawa ekam sawa. 1 and 1/4 into 1 equal to 1 and 1/4. 1 1/4 into 1 equal to 1 and 1/4. Okay. Sawa duna dhai. Sawa duna dhai. 1 and 1/4 into 2 equal to 2.5. 2.5. Sawa tiya paune char. Sawa tiya paune char. 1 and 1/4 into 3 equal to 3 and 3/4. Okay. Sawa chauke 5. Sawa chauke 5. 1 and 1/4 into 4 equal to 5. Sawa panche sawa 6. Sawa panche sawa 6. 1 and 1/4 into 5 equal to 6 and 1/4. Okay. Sawa छक्के साढ़े सात. Sawa छक्के साढ़े सात. 1 and 1/4 into 6 equal to 7.5. 7.5. Sawa सत्ते पौने नौ. Sawa सत्ते पौने नौ. 1 and 1/4 into 7 equal to 8 and 3/4. Okay. 8 and 3/4. Sawa अट्ठे 10. Sawa अट्ठे 10. 1 and 1/4 into 8 equal to 10. 1 and 1/4 into 8 equal to 10. Sawa नम्मे sawa 11. Sawa नम्मे sawa 11. 1 and 1/4 into 9 equal to 11 and 1/4. 11 and 1/4. Sawa daham साढ़े 12. Sawa daham साढ़े 12. 1 and 1/4 into 10 equal to 12 and half. Got it? Understand? So let's see in this object. 1 dozen apples equal to 12 apple. 1 dozen apples equal to 12 apple. You know na? Then sawa means 1 and 1/4. Sawa means 1 and 1/4 dozen equal to 12 plus 3 equal to 15 apples. Okay. 12 plus, because 1 the value of 12 apples. The value of 1 is 12 apple. Then add that including also 1/4 value. The including also 1/4 value of 1 added with 1. 1 plus 1/4 equal to 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3, what's the value of 1/4? The value of 1/4 is 3 only. Okay. 1/4 value is 3 and one value is 12. Then 12 plus 3 equal to 15 apples are there. Okay. Now next table of 1.5. डेढ़ का पहाड़ा, table of 1.5. This is the last table of your chapters of your lesson. So be careful and read after me. Okay. डेढ़ एकम डेढ़. Say after me. डेढ़ एकम डेढ़. 1 and 1.5 into 1 equal to 1.5. डेढ़ दूना 3. डेढ़ दूना 3. 1.5 into 2 equal to 3. 1.5 into 2 equal to 3. डेढ़ तिया 4.5. डेढ़ तिया 4.5. 1.5 and into 3 equal to 4.5. 1.5 into 3 equal to 4.5. डेढ़ चौके 6. डेढ़ चौके 6. 1.5 into 4 equal to 6. 1.5 into 4 equal to 6. डेढ़ पंचे 7.5. डेढ़ पंचे 7.5. 1.5 into 5 equal to 7.5. 1.5 into 5 equal to 7.5. डेढ़ छक्के 9. डेढ़ छक्के 9. 1.5 into 6 equal to 9. 1.5 into 6 equal to 9. डेढ़ सत्ते 10.5. डेढ़ सत्ते 10.5. 1.5 into 7 equal to 10.5. 1.5 into 7 equal to 10.5. डेढ़ अठे 12. डेढ़ अठे 12. 1.5 into 8 equal to 12. 1.5 into 8 equal to 12. डेढ़ नवे 13.5. डेढ़ नवे 13.5. 1.5 into 9 equal to 13.5. डेढ़ दहाम 15. डेढ़ दहाम 15. 1.5 into 10 equal to 15. 1.5 into 10 equal to 15. Okay. Now see this object. 1 dozen equal to 12 apples. 1 dozen equal to 12 apple. Then डेढ़ 1.5. 1.5 dozen. What's the value of 1.5 dozen? We noted the value of 1 dozen equal to 12 apple. We noted 1 dozen equal to 12 apple. Then what's the value of only half? The value of half is half means 2 part. Okay, half means 2 part. The dozen of 1.5 is equal to the value of 1 is 12 and the next value of half is 6. Then 12 plus 6 equal to 18 apples are there. Okay. Now complete your chapter. Chapter 3, Paudi Dhai. So my dear student, you must have learned all this table and please write in your notes copy. Okay. And send me in my WhatsApp number personally. Okay. So bye bye and take care yourself.